Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope all you guys are doing well. Everyone is safe at home. So this is a very random and impromptu video, I know. So I was seeing that everyone is making Nykaa sale recommendation as Nykaa's hot pink sale is going on, and I thought, should I make it or should I not make it? I was not sure about it. I just put a poll on Instagram and asked my Instagram people that would they be interested in seeing a Nykaa sale recommendation, and there was 100%. Means everyone said yes, and I was like, okay, this is in demand and I should do it if they are asking me to. So I have I would like to give a disclaimer that in no way I am encouraging anyone to unnecessarily shop for things which they don't need. But if you really need makeup, or if you are a makeup lover like me, so you should I would highly suggest you to stock up on your products if you want to. But I don't want you to buy unnecessary things just because they are on sale. I have also bought a few things because I was eyeing on them for a very long period of time, and I thought that I should try it. Firstly, I'll show you what I got. So I got बहुत सारा, पर जो अभी तक आया है मैं वही बताऊंगी. So this is how the box looks like. So the Nykaa box, बेसिक नायका बॉक्स है. ये नायका ल्यूक्स का प्रोडक्ट है, इसीलिए दिस इज द ब्लैक बॉक्स. So my first purchase is this Born This Way Too Faced concealer. I wanted to buy this since a very long period of time, but बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा है. This is 1900 for one and this is 15 ml of product. तो मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा था should I buy it, should I not buy it. I was contemplating a lot क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना, it is not my cup of tea. So I was just waiting for a sale, और sale में मतलब the only reason I am showing you this because the offer that I got on this is fabulous is what I think. So इसमें ऐसे था कि आप टू फेस में का मतलब टू फेस से कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लेंगे, दो प्रोडक्ट, तो आपको एक प्रोडक्ट फ्री मिलेगा. तो ऑब्वियसली इट वुड बी जो भी हायर रेंज का प्रोडक्ट, जो भी सबसे सस्ता प्रोडक्ट होगा वो आपको फ्री मिलेगा. बट स्टिल व्हाट आई डिड इज आई गॉट 3 शेड्स इन दिस कंसीलर. फर्स्टली आई रन आउट ऑफ कंसीलर लाइक एनीथिंग. ऊपर से आई नीड डिफरेंट शेड्स बिकॉज आई वर्क ऑन ब्राइड्स. सो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा डील था. मुझे 2 कंसीलर के प्राइस में 3 कंसीलर मिल गए, विच आई वॉज रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट. एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट वर्क्स वंडर्स. लाइक मैंने इसको मतलब ऐसे यूज़ नहीं किया, बट मैंने टेस्टेरोनॉल यूज़ किया था एंड इट रियली वर्कड गुड फॉर मी. मुझे खरीदना ही था एंड इतना अच्छा ऑफर है बाई टू वन गेट वन फ्री का, तो कौन ही मतलब जाने देगा. दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई बॉट दिस. ऑल्सो ये लेने पे मुझे कुछ चीज़ें फ्री मिली है विच आई वुड रियली लाइक टू शो यू गाइज. सो वॉट आई गॉट फ्री वॉज टू फेस्ड का दिस इज आई शेडो प्राइमर. छोटा सा ही है, ज़्यादा नहीं है इसमें प्रोडक्ट, 5 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट है. बट आई थिंक कि आई शेडो प्राइमर तो ज़्यादा लगता भी नहीं है. सो दिस इज़ अ गुड थिंग मिनी विच यू गेट. एंड देन आई गॉट दिस हैंगओवर फेस प्राइमर. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ स्मॉल वन. दिस इज ऑल्सो 5 ml का छोटू सा पैकेट, बट आई रियली लाइक्ड इट. मतलब भले ही ये मिनीज हो, ट्रैवल एंड ऑल में बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. इफ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग समवेयर एंड यू वांट मिनी प्रोडक्ट्स, दीज आर रियली गुड. ऑल्सो ऑन दी अदर हैंड यू गेट टू ट्राई दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. लाइक मेरे को पता है टू फेस के प्रोडक्ट्स आर डैम एक्सपेंसिव, एंड इफ यू डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन दैट, लाइक इफ यू रियली वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन दैट प्रोडक्ट, आई थिंक दैट यू शुड फर्स्ट check out the mini ones, because sometimes products work for us and sometimes product doesn't work for us, so you will get a fair idea. Or though mini, I think I really like it. The third free product that I got was this pouch. This is signed by some Janvi Kapoor, Nykaa से कुछ तो है, but I'm not interested in this pouch. But still, if you need a pouch, not need, but it is good. I mean, ठीक है, I don't mind it, I'm not mad about it, I really like it. So that was the thing that I purchased. Now I'll go ahead and show you my recommendation. So the first recommendation is a very very special one because मैं बहुत टाइम से ये चीज़ ट्राई कर रही हूँ and I really want you guys to know what it is. So it is a Swiss Beauty primer. This is how the primer looks like. This is a illuminating primer. So I love dewy skin. If you see my skin today as well, I have used this primer and बहुत ही अच्छा sheen आ रहा होगा मेरे face से. So I really enjoy using this primer. इसमें ज़्यादा chunky glitter particles नहीं है and it eliminates your face like anything. I have also called for a MAC strobing cream. So I'll be comparing the MAC strobing cream with the Swiss Beauty one because बहुत लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि ये dupe है. I wanted to see it for myself and then give a comment. So I really like this one. If you're looking for a dewy primer, please go ahead with this Swiss Beauty one. It works wonder. Second product that I'll suggest you is my holy grail, my ride or die product. That is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is how it looks like. अभी सेल पे कुछ 500 के अंडर ही आ रहा है and I will highly suggest you this concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. आपके dark circles ये एकदम easily हाइड कर लेगा. आई नो इसमें ज़्यादा शेड्स नहीं है, 2 या 3 शेड्स है इंडिया में, बट आई वुड हाईली सजेस्ट यू प्लीज़ ट्राई दिस कंसीलर बिकॉज दिस वर्क्स बॉम्ब. इसका कवरेज अच्छा है, इट रियली सेट्स वेल, क्रीजिंग नहीं होती है एंड आई मीन यू शुड ट्राई इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. यू विल नो कितना अच्छा कंसीलर है ये. इफ़ यू ट्रस्ट मी एंड माई रिकमेंडेशन प्लीज़ गो ahead and buy this. This will work wonder for everyone is what I feel. ड्राई स्किन के लिए तो इट इज़ बून बिकॉज इट डजंट ड्राई आउट योर आईज, अंडर आईज. कैसे होता है ना, ड्राई स्किन पीपल यूजुअली यू नो बहुत ज़्यादा उनको अंडर आइज बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाते हैं एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड अ गुड कंसीलर. दिस इज बॉम्ब. प्लीज गो ahead and buy this. So my third recommendation would be a foundation. Everyone keeps on asking me कि foundation अच्छा कोई foundation recommendation बताना and I would highly suggest you to buy the Maybelline Superstay foundation. So this is a full coverage foundation. बहुत ही अच्छा foundation है. If you are looking for a budget foundation, please do check it. इसमें shades भी बहुत सारे आते हैं तो you will get a wide variety of shades. You can mix and match, do anything. ये थोड़ा सा oxidize होता है but this is a full coverage full wear foundation, a very good foundation like under 500. अभी सेल में 500 कुछ है. highly suggested. So the next product that I'll suggest is this Swiss Beauty liquid glitter. I mean if you know me, you know that I love glitter. I will swatch it for you guys. This is in the shade black something. I am not aware of the shade. Okay, shade Molten Midnight is the shade and you can see how beautiful it looks. The reflex is very beautiful and Swiss Beauty पे भी अभी कुछ सेल चल रहा है that if you purchase 500 तक के products then you'll get a free eyeshadow. So please highly stock up on Swiss Beauty products because they really have good offers going in there. So I'll suggest this glitter eyeshadow. The next product that I'll recommend you is K by Katrina's loose powder. I really love this loose powder. It really is a very finely milled loose powder. It doesn't have much of coverage but it will beautifully set your under eyes or every part of your face. It will not ball up or crease up. Really good loose powder. If you're looking for a budget option, please do. And also K by Katrina, I mean K Beauty is currently running some offer, is under offer, so I'll highly suggest you this and their blush as well. मैंने अभी तक blush कभी खरीदे नहीं है उनके blush, but I have used it with other makeup artists were using it and I have just watched it and everything and it was looking pretty pigmented and awesome. So if you want or if you're looking for blush, go ahead with K. If you are talking about blushes, there is a blush recommendation from my end and that is the Flower Beauty one. This is the one that I have used currently. So beautiful, so beautiful. I'll just swatch the shade. It is a very light shade. I am not sure if you're able to see. बहुत ही light shade है but beautiful I must say. बहुत ही beautiful है. The best thing about this blush is कि ये बहुत समय तक आपके cheeks पे रहता है. Usually blushes just go away but ये I mean the finish, the rosy effect it gives. The shade that I am in is, I have to see, I'm not sure कौन सा shade है ये, I have to check. Sorry, Sweet Pea. I'm in the shade Sweet Pea and if you रियली वॉन्ट अ गुड वार्म टोन ब्लश, क्योंकि मैं ना वार्म टोन पर्सन हूँ, तो मुझे ना कूल टोन ब्लश मेरे पे बिल्कुल सूट नहीं करते. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज अ वेरी लाइटिश पिंक, वार्मिश पिंक काइंड ऑफ अ कलर. Beautiful color. If you want, you can go ahead and try this. This is a mauvish pink kind of a color, so if you want, you can go ahead with this blush. Beautiful pigmentation, beautiful formula, and Flower Beauty is also on some discount, so this blush is under 500, I guess. I'm not sure, I'll link it somewhere over here, but awesome product. Go ahead and try it. The last product or the sale recommendation is a lipstick. I think कि लिपस्टिक में ना सबके अलग अलग choices होते हैं, but I really enjoy this Nykaa liquid mini lipsticks. You can see how small it is. You can just carry it around. This is in the shade boho, and this is the one that I am wearing. I'll show you the swatch. It is a very good mauvish pink kind of a color, mauvish pink purple kind of a color, very beautiful. Nykaa is currently on sale. I mean Nykaa Cosmetics is currently on sale. तो आप ना ये ब्लशेस में ये लिपस्टिक्स में से ट्राई कर सकते हो. These are really good. This doesn't dry out your lips. Can you see? I have also topped it up with a gloss, and that gloss is also from Nykaa. So if you want gloss, you can try Nykaa gloss. This is in the shade Honey Boo. I will swatch Honey Boo for you because it is beautiful. Honey Boo is beautiful. It's yum. Can you see? Beautiful. You can try Nykaa liquid lipstick and then top it off with a gloss. Even if you top it off with a gloss ना ये crumble and all नहीं होता. That is the best part. That is the reason I'm recommending this. लिपस्टिक में मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस. यू कैन गो विथ लैक्मे, यू कैन गो विथ मेबेलिन, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू वांट, बट आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर इन सेल, जो हमेशा सेल में नहीं होते हैं और अभी है. नायका के लिपस्टिक्स तो हमेशा ही सेल में होते हैं, ग्लॉसेस भी हमेशा सेल में होते हैं, बट आई रियली लाइक द फॉर्मूला एंड हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स ऑन मी. दैट इज द रीजन आई एम शोइंग यू दिस. I guess we are done with the recommendation. These were all the recommendations that I had from my end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like such kind of video, or if you want me to make a Nykaa haul of all the products that I got on this sale, please do let me know in the comment section. Please like the video. If you liked it, please comment under this video. Please share it with your friends. Maybe they find it useful. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Also, please press the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, bye bye. Love.